We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by First Security Services. Mwanamme,
Siyaphila kunjani mfethu?
asikhona bhuti.
Thank you.
Ubona kanjani umdlalo namhlanje? Nayi isandla sikhiwa i-Arrows.
Leadership, my only worry is that our games of the league and the games of the cup games are not the same.
Yes.
I'm not quite sure whether it's a question of the mindset or what.
Yeah.
To me, we've got the element of bad luck when it comes to the cup games.
Yes.
You can bring the best players ever,
Yeah.
but when it comes to the cup games,
Yeah.
we don't perform well.
Yes.
Especially this cup called MTN 8. To me, I can refer to this cup as a Hutu Cup to Sundowns.
Yeah.
You can bring Pep Guardiola to come and coach Sundowns,
Yeah.
but for as long as we have got this mindset of losing the cup games, we're not going to make it. That is my only worry. The cup games versus the league games. That is my only worry, leadership.
Yes. Now.
If we can work on our mindset
Yeah.
that we are playing cup games as if we're playing the league. Because in league games we're winning convincingly.
Yeah.
But when it comes to cup games, we struggle to score even a single goal.
Yeah.
Look at the chances that we missed. Leon missed chances, a number of players missed chances.
Yeah.
It's a question of saying to me, the mindset of the players should be at least a 7.5%.
Yeah.
So that we win the cup games. That's the league. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.